More than halfway into the modules Energy and Atmosphere, the fifth module. You will be questioned on this topic the most, especially that it is the most weighted category in LEED. It has the highest impact on the environment. The fourth of the 8 LEED categories. Now the topics we'll cover are commissioning, energy performance, refrigerants, renewable energy generation on-site and off-site as green power and carbon offsets. Now you might have heard commissioning since not something LEED created, or refrigerants since those are actual topics. It's just that this certification combines them and raises awareness through the accreditation. Now in this module we'll even talk about requirements on energy meters and demand response, and at the end we're going to go through practice questions together. Now being the highest weighted category, you can achieve up to 33 possible points, and you will also need to achieve 4 prerequisites, which we will go through one by one. So first of all, what is commissioning? Now the keyword for this term is actually verification. You can see from the illustration, engineers and technicians are verifying everything is in order. Now the term exactly means verifying that the installed, tested, and operated systems meet the owner requirements. So for example, you can buy an air conditioning system and the supplier installs it. Turns off, turns on, works fine. But to really verify, you need to call a third-party company, not the installer. Let them check if the air conditioning system is cooling and heating the same amount in the data sheet. So it's actually someone that's installing it and someone else, another company, is verifying that that supplier installed it correctly. Now doing so will reduce energy use. It will reduce your operating cost, contractor callbacks, and will improve occupant productivity. So that's why it's so important that it's also a prerequisite. So the first prerequisite in this scorecard is fundamental commissioning. So the minimum mandatory things to commission, which basically are the main elements in a project. The HVAC system, the lighting control, plumbing, and everything to do with renewable energy, like solar panels. Now, it also is a credit. So to earn points, not only you have to commission the following, you also need to create more elements. Seasonal testing in summer and in winter. You also need to create a manual and commission the envelope. So those are elements needed to get the credit. Now there's further details for the AP exam. What you need to know for the Green Associate is what we just took. So regarding this accreditation, what you have is more than enough.